done tried to make cranberry muffins. Hey good people, Merry Vlogmas. So yes, in today's video, I'm gonna be something like a chef. Not really, these turned out horrible. So listen, go ahead and preset your oven to 350 degrees and then get all the ingredients that you see there on the screen. No, trust me, you need all of them. Don't be stingy now. Get all the ingredients you see on the screen. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, hey friend, if it came out horrible, why are you trying to get me to make it? Listen, let me explain. They had potential, okay? It wasn't the recipe that jacked me up. It was me that jacked me up. So we're going to try to make them again, okay? And you're going to do a better job than me. Listen, I quit. I couldn't do it. But I know you can do it. So we're going to make this together and you're going to send me some. Now, first get a large bowl. And then a stick of butter and make the butter soft. So what I did was put it in a little microwave for a couple seconds. Then I took the mixer and made it like a whip like. Y'all see my little professional mixer? Okay. So then add a little brown sugar and then 2 eggs. Oh, I'm ashy. Child, I'll be on here ashy as hell. Okay. So then mix it all together and then add a little vanilla. Okay, and then get a little orange. Make sure, wash the orange. Don't be putting the zest in the bowl with a dirty orange. That's nasty. Okay, now mix it all together. Okay, now I know it don't look good right now. Okay, trust me. Okay, and then get a separate bowl to mix your dry ingredients. The first bowl was for your wet ingredients. The second is for your dry with a little baking soda, a little baking powder, 1 teaspoon of both. I know I really got to concentrate to differentiate the TSP and then the TBS. I mean, I get it. I just gotta, pay attention, child. Anyway, add a little salt to taste and then whisk it all together. Remember, this is all the dry ingredients from the list. And then you mix it with the wet ingredients. Now I know what you're thinking. Like, ma'am, this is basic baking skills. Listen, I'm learning. So maybe there's somebody else that's learning how to bake too. And it's for them. Okay. Now you add a little orange juice, all right? You can get the Simply Orange, splurge a little bit on the Simply, and then add a little bit of milk, all right? Almond milk for the lactose intolerant. Okay, now add the cranberries. Now it's best to use the frozen cranberries. I don't know why. I'm not going to act like a professional and tell you why. I'm just saying the recipe said use frozen. So I got frozen. Now take the muffin pan and mix them up. Now I try to get, why I do this? Child, not the baby in the damn kitchen. So I tried to get fancy and make a little decoration. But child, listen, y'all going to see. Now we baking for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. After that, we're going to pull them out. Now, listen. Y'all see them? Now, I was so mad. Where my cranberries that I put on top? They were supposed to be on top. Look at that. Y'all see that? That's not what I pictured. That is not what I pictured. Now, here I'm trying to make the little powdered sugar or the powdered juice that go on top. This is where I should have stopped. Okay, this is where I should have stopped. I done watched too many cooking shows on the Food Network and thought I was about to do something. This is where I should have left it alone. Look at this. So take that icing and then drip it. That's not even a drip. I'm not even going to tell. Listen. This is where you stop, okay? Go buy the icing from the store. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. So, of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you beautiful people tomorrow. Okay, bye.